Hi, I'm Louise from Landlord Studio. Easily digitize receipts with our Smart Scan feature. Open the app on your device and navigate to the relevant property or organization using the left-hand menu. Next, click on the Expenses tab. Then click on the plus sign to add a new expense. Tap on the camera icon in the top right portion of your screen. With your receipt handy, click on Take Photo and use the camera to take a picture of your receipt. That was quick and easy. Click on Use Photo and the system will input the details of the receipt into the new expense. In this example, we're going with maintenance and repairs, which the expense would be payable by the tenant. Check that the data is all correct and hit Save. Now you're good to go.